So good progress made today on our Heather Green project. Started the decoration on all of the coins all of the way through, so the scaffolders can get this scaffolding down tomorrow. Gonna need to do a couple more coats on the cornice and on the piers. Restored all of the window sill today. Good day's work on there for Jamie. So that'll all be filled tomorrow, rubbed down and then painted. Bit more decoration work done on this top elevation here, but definitely going to need another coat, maybe 2 more coats. Still a few little blemishes that we want to sand down, rub down and paint again. Down on the next elevation, so lots of sanding been going on today. Really dusty job this, but the results are fantastic and really worth doing. Let's have a look over here. So some repair work being done on the cornice there, so we've got more sanding to do on this section. Couldn't get any of that done today because the lads were decorating all of the coins. So rub all of this down, paint, then obviously we have to see what marks we've got left in the stonework, and then obviously fill again. All of the capital stonework gone on, been burnt off on all of the capital there. Over on this section, on the coins again. So getting all of these edges lovely and sharp. So that's all been rubbed down once. We'll give that a coat of paint tomorrow and then fill again. But as you can see, how lovely and sharp the detail is on all of the stonework. Got a bit more filling done before we left today, just in a few areas. Give it a good dust down tomorrow morning before we start any more painting. Loads more rubbing down to do in underneath all of the windows. We get in everywhere. Yeah, real labour intense job getting all this paint burnt off. Rubbing down, filling, rubbing down, painting and filling. So, but like I said numerous times, the results is well worth doing. Comes out amazing. It's going to last a lot longer than just painting over old layers of paint. Always really beneficial to get all of the old paint off, back to the original stone, stabilise, fill and painting. So I'll just show you downstairs. Almost ready, swimming pool. And then downstairs. On the ground floor. All of this ground floor completely restored. Look at the sharp and details in on that sill now. Big old sill this to restore. So all of the edges razor sharp. So we'll give this one more rub down, give that a lick of paint, and then we're gonna hit it again with some more filler, just so everything is absolutely perfect throughout this whole job. And then we'll clean all the building down again, touch up all of the pointing all the way through. But this panel here this morning, that was in a right mess. Looking much better now on that pier. And all of these coins again today, all been rubbed down. Lovely sharp harrises all the way through. Get some layers of paint on that tomorrow and finish up. So hopefully, I reckon about 3 more days left on this painting and filling, and then we'll be good to hand back over to the customer. So if you do like the look of this project, you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'll be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.